Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So without wasting much of your time, just enjoy this tutorial. But if you're new here, please just subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is the Hush Beauty brow tamer. I'm using this brow tamer to tame her eyebrow. What it means to tame an eyebrow is to hold the eyebrow together, just like you have an edge control you use for your hair. This one is specially made for eyebrows, guys. So I've tamed the eyebrow. Now I'm using my David's eye pencil. David's eye pencil, you all know it's very cheap, 100 naira, and you are good to go. So I'm using my David's eye pencil to outline her eyebrows. So guys, this tutorial I'm making it as detailed as possible because I noticed that a lot of us have challenges with the eyebrows. Eyeshadow is not really much of a problem, but people have a lot of challenges with getting their eyebrows done. So please just watch this tutorial from start to finish, and I promise I'm going to reveal all the secrets you need to know in getting a flawless eyebrow, guys. Yes, so it's your girl Chi Makeover. We are giving you this tutorial straight from our heart, like no in short, no hard feelings, no secrets, just collect the tutorial as the hot topic. So I've outlined the under part of the eyebrow. Now I'm outlining the top part. So when putting your arc, you make sure the body of the eyebrow is longer than the arc. The arc shouldn't be longer than the body of the eyebrow. The body is that long, like that, the long part before you get to the arc. So you try to make sure that your calculation is very accurate. So right now I'm using my Hega and Esther gel in the shade Nubia to fill in the eyebrows, like. So I'm filling the eyebrow with my brow gel, and this brow gel is a win-win for me. Like, I don't know, I just like it. I just like Hega and Esther for this particular gel they made because it doesn't dry on time, like it doesn't dry up on time. You can just have it even for a year and it doesn't get thick or too hard for you to use. It's always very soft whenever you want to use it. So I just use it now to outline my eyebrows. So guys, hope you're learning something. If you're learning something in this tutorial, don't forget to comment on the comment section down below. You show some love. If you have some questions, you have any doubt or any thing you want to ask, please drop it on the comment section down below. Like I told you, this is a very detailed eyebrow tutorial. So next I'll be using my Blot eyebrow setting gel. So this eyebrow gel, it's very fine. It just makes the eyebrow have this natural look. We have other nice ones too. We have other nice setting gels. Like I have a store where I sell makeup. I have other very good eyebrow setting gel that are not as costly as Blot. Very affordable ones you can get for like 1,000. So this is the Nubian in my skin concealer. So now you can see now the eyebrow, it's coming into shape, like it's aligning itself gradually. I've put my setting gel, that's my brow pomade, Hega and Esther. Then I put my Blot setting gel, the one to make the eyebrow look natural. So now I'm concealing my eyebrow. Yes. So you can see I'm using two different shades. The brighter concealer is for the arc, under the arc. That's why I use the brighter concealer. Some people call it the brow bone. Yes. So That's why I use the bright concealer. Then the one that is a exact skin shade, guys, I'm using it for the head of the brow. So it's very important I don't use a very white concealer for the head of the brow, so I'll have an eyebrow that is as natural and flawless as possible. And when you are using the right shade you're supposed to use, blending becomes very easy. You don't start having some kind of white lines under the eyebrows. Your blending just becomes very neat. Yes, you use her direct skin tone for the beginning, which is the head of the brow. Then the brow bone is supposed to be highlighted, so I use a brighter concealer for that part, guys. So please, I want to see your own eyebrow. I wish it's even possible for you to send me a picture of your own, so that I would know you are learning. But any which way, I'm on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm Chi Makeover, so you can send me pictures. I can do some corrections for you on Instagram. So now I'm using her skin tone of foundation or concealer for the top of her eyebrow. So you can see that the eyebrow brush I'm using is doesn't really have that normal pattern of that formal pattern that looks angled. This one is just like let's say a flat. It's not too flat though. It's like a round concealer brush, but it's very nice. Then now I'm blending this out with a blending brush. That's just to make the work neat. Like I love my work being neat. Like when I'm drawing brows, like the process when you are passing, it looks neat. You can see how snatched that brows look. Oh, wow, this brow